Most drivers think they know their cars inside out. But what if I told you there are secret features quietly hiding in plain sight? Features that could literally save you thousands in repairs. Here's the kicker. You've likely ignored these your whole life, and it might already be costing you. Today, we're diving into 15 hidden car features that most people never discover until it's too late. Don't blink. One of these could rescue your wallet and your sanity. Secret number 15, the invisible shield inside your car. Ever been trapped behind a smoke-belching truck, choking on fumes with no escape? That tiny button on your dashboard with a car and a swirling arrow isn't just there for decoration. It's your car's secret weapon against filthy air. This is your recirculation mode. Press it and your car seals itself off from the outside world, filtering only the cleaner air inside your cabin. It protects your lungs, but here's the bonus. This little move can boost your AC's cooling power by up to 20% during brutal heat waves, reducing strain on the system and saving you money on repairs. It's also your best friend during dust storms, traffic jams, or smoky areas, and it makes your cabin air filter last longer too. Next time you see that button, remember it's not just a feature, it's your invisible force field. Secret number 14, the mind-controlled key fob hack. You're lost in a sea of cars, clicking your key fob like you've lost your mind. But here's a brainy hack nobody tells you. Literally. If you press your key fob against your forehead, it can triple its range, from about 30 feet to nearly 90. Why? Your brain's water content acts like an amplifier for the signal. It sounds bizarre, but it works, and that's not all. Most fobs hide a secret, a mechanical key tucked inside. Flip the latch, and you'll unlock your car even if the battery dies. Next time you're stuck in a packed garage, just remember, your brain might just be the smartest tool in your toolkit. Secret number 13, the hidden language under your hood. Pop your hood and you'll see it. Bright colors on some engine parts. They're not just for looks. Automakers code these components to quietly guide you. Bright yellow, blue, or red parts are safe for DIY, oil, washer fluid, or coolant top-offs. But the dull gray or black parts, hands off. Those are for the professionals. Know this color code and you can avoid costly mistakes, like pouring oil into your coolant tank. Plus, you'll never pay a mechanic $50 just to refill your washer fluid again. This simple trick could save you hundreds and keep you from accidentally wrecking your engine. Secret number 12, the forgotten fuel cap hook. Here's a feature you've probably overlooked 100 times. Next time you fuel up, look inside the gas door. That tiny hook isn't just random plastic. It's designed to hold your gas cap. Why does it matter? Letting the cap dangle or resting it on your paint can scratch your car or even let dirt sneak into your fuel system, leading to costly injector clogs or worse. That little hook? It's 2-second prevention from a $3,000 repair, and a lesson in how tiny details protect your car. Secret number 11, the life-saving gear shift trick. Imagine this. Your battery dies in heavy traffic. Your car won't shift into neutral, leaving you blocking an angry sea of cars. But hidden near your gear shifter is your escape route, the emergency shift lock release. Pop off the small cover with your key, press the button underneath, and you can shift gears even without power. This one feature could save you from danger or embarrassment. Find it in your car today before you actually need it. Secret number 10, the hidden ice alert. That little snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't just cute, it's a potential lifesaver. It lights up when road temperatures drop near freezing, warning you of hidden ice. Some cars even escalate the warning from yellow to red as conditions worsen, and high-tech systems now share icy road data with other vehicles nearby, creating a live, connected safety network. It's like your car is quietly watching your back on those dangerous winter roads. Secret number 9, the rearview mirror, night shield. Blinding headlights behind you at night? Flip the tiny tab under your rearview mirror. It instantly reduces glare using a clever light-bouncing trick. Older drivers often quit night driving due to headlight glare, but this simple solution has been around for decades. Newer cars go a step further with auto-dimming mirrors that darken automatically, like magic sunglasses for your car. It's small, but it makes a massive difference in your driving comfort and safety. Secret number 8, hidden compartments you didn't know existed. Some cars hide secret storage spaces so well that even longtime owners miss them. Jeep, Infiniti, Volkswagen, and Toyota all have clever stashes tucked under seats, in consoles, or behind panels, some even doubling as coolers. Many drivers find old items from past owners hidden inside, like tiny automotive time capsules. Take a deep dive through your car. You might uncover hidden storage that turns out to be surprisingly useful. Secret number 7. Remote window magic. Blistering heat outside? With many cars, you can roll down the windows remotely before even stepping inside. For many makes, just press and hold unlock on the fob. In others, a key twist in the door unlocks the feature. This trick isn't just cool. It can prevent heat stroke and burns from scorching seats or steering wheels. It's one of those features that feels like luxury, but has been hiding in plain sight the whole time. Secret number 6. The backseat spy mirror. Parents, you'll love this one. Many SUVs and minivans hide a special wide-angle mirror above the rear view, often disguised as a sunglasses holder. Flip it open, and you can keep an eye on every backseat squabble or sleeping child without taking your eyes off the road. It's perfect for parents, pet owners, or anyone wanting peace of mind during road trips. Sometimes the simplest tools solve the biggest problems. Secret number 5, the gas arrow you've always missed. How many times have you pulled up to the gas station and picked the wrong side? Next time, glance at your fuel gauge. There's a tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon. It points to your fuel door's side. This quiet little design detail has existed for decades, yet half of drivers still miss it. It's a small thing, but knowing it makes every fill-up smoother. Secret number 4, the tire inflation honk trick. Nissan, Jeep, GMC, and others have a tire inflation feature that's weirdly fun. Start inflating your tire, the car flashes lights to show it's active, then honks when you hit the perfect pressure. No more guessing, no more struggling with unreliable gauges. Better tire pressure means longer lasting tires and better fuel economy without the usual hassle. Secret number 3, the hidden remote start secret. Think remote start is just for high-end cars? Think again. Many cars hide remote start behind simple button combos. Try locking twice, then holding on the third press. Suddenly your car starts remotely, cooling or warming before you step inside. It's an underrated luxury, but also helps protect your engine by warming or cooling before driving. Check your manual. You might already have it without even realizing. Secret number 2, the coffee cup warning that could save your life. See a coffee cup icon on your dash? It's not telling you to grab caffeine. It's warning you that you're getting dangerously drowsy. Some cars even watch your face for drooping eyelids or nodding heads, sounding alarms if you're drifting off. It's not just tech, it's a proven lifesaver, especially on long trips. When your car asks you to take a break, listen. It's smarter than you think. Secret number 1, the tire sensor reset trick. Mechanics won't tell you. Sure, your car warns you when your tire pressure drops, but most drivers don't know you can reset that annoying dashboard light yourself. In many cars, it's as easy as pressing a hidden reset button under the dashboard or inside the glove box. This keeps you from wasting money at the shop just to clear a light. It's fast, easy, and puts you back in control. No tools or mechanic needed. And that's it. 15 hidden car features that most people never even notice, but they can save you serious cash, headaches, and maybe even your life. How many of these did you already know? Drop your answers below, and don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest car tips that most people overlook. Remember, the smartest drivers aren't always the ones with the flashiest cars. They're the ones who know the hidden tricks no one else talks about. Stay safe, stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video.